Hi everyone, welcome back to our mortgage education. This is kind of our first step in the process. Last week we kind of did a little intro. This week we're going to get into the details a little bit. So this week we're going to talk about pre-qualifying. What does that mean? What's going on? What documents do you need to get to me, your lender? What we're looking for in pre-qualification are all the documents that the underwriter is going to need in order to approve you for whatever loan you're looking to get. And I want to start off with to let you know, I'm on your side. I am going to screen every document you send me, good, bad, or indifferent, to make sure it looks proper to the underwriter. Now, we've got to go with facts. We've got to go with what you have, but we can't omit certain things that may give a negative outlook to the underwriter. So what our goal is, put together a complete package, make it look great, so when I get it to the underwriter, we're ready to roll. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need from you, we need your ID. Passport, driver's license, doesn't matter, but I need an ID from you. I'm also going to need bank statements if you're purchasing a home. 2 months bank statements, most recent 2 months, but I need the ones that have the money in it for your down payment. Okay, you don't need to send me bank statements that have $600, maybe a personal account, maybe a side account that you've got for mad money. Don't worry about those. I need the ones with money that are going to go toward closing. Okay, I also need assets. So if you have a 401k, any savings, a Roth IRA, any kind of IRA, shoot those to me too. What that does is it makes you look stronger as a buyer to our underwriter, okay? That might get us a better rate. It might take their focus and put it on, okay, this guy's really well qualified, or this family's really well qualified. Let's go ahead and move forward with this a little quicker, all right? So I also need W-2s. So I'll need your last 2 years W-2s. And that's if you are a W-2 employee. If you're a self-employed, then I need your tax returns, your 1099s, okay? So just depending on how you're paid, we either need your W-2s, 1099s, and if you're self-employed, I will need last 2 years tax returns. So 2 W-2s, 2 1099s, 2 tax returns, okay? Depending on where you fit, all right? What else we're looking for? If you currently own a home, I need all the mortgage statements you have. So if you have 3 homes, 3 mortgage statements. To go along with that, I also need your insurance. So the insurance you carry on those homes, I need that too. What we're doing is we're putting together a financial picture to present to an underwriter to say, here's everything we have. Here's the good, the bad, the ugly. Let's make a decision, okay? So we've got all that stuff in our pocket. All right, just a couple more items we're gonna need from you. If you're getting a gift from a family member, for the down payment, I'm going to need a gift letter. I'm also going to probably need to see their assets. There's some ways around that, but we'll determine that once I see your gift letter and we talk. Okay. Also, what I'm going to need, if there's any large deposits in your account that didn't come from paychecks, maybe you sold a motorcycle or a car and it was a big deposit in your account. I'll need a letter just saying, hey, on this date, we sold our car for X dollars. Here's a letter explaining that. Sign it, date it, and maybe give me a bill of sale or something like that you've got, okay? Super important. We're about ready to go. I will run your debt to income ratios. I will make sure that the loan to value on the home is right, what your down payment is. We'll talk about that in the pre-qualification piece. But the most important part is getting me those documents, okay? So make sure we shoot those in. Anyway, thank you all so much for tuning in. Thanks for listening. I hope this was educational for you. If there's any questions you have, please shoot them to me. Next week, maybe I'll do a video in between what I've got planned now and this to say, hey, here's some more details that some people wanted information on. I'm happy to do that for you. I want to make sure that you are as educated as you can be getting into this buying process. So when you enter in, it's not scary. It's not complicated. You know exactly what you're looking for, and we're here to deliver it for you, okay? Thanks so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks.